It is my honor to welcome and interview Dr. Abdul Sharief, Principal of PA College of Engineering. Hello, sir. So, sir.
Hello, thank you. Thank you very much.
So, sir,
welcome to you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, my first question to you is, being the principal of PA College of Engineering, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your school?
Being a principal of this college, my overall duty is the development of the college as well as the strategy to market. Yes, marketing is done by showcase for strength in social media, e-media, print media, etc. It has reached every corner of the country as well as the world. Our main aim is to build the future of the student. Apart from the curriculum, we used to encourage students to take up their innovative ideas into their projects. That is the reason why we have set up two incubation centers. One is a NAIN incubation center that is associated with the K-Tech government of Karnataka. They are investing financially for the students' innovative ideas to graduate the students' innovative idea into reality, and later it's to be started. Apart from the curriculum is important. That is to clear the exam, to technical knowledge, to update their knowledge. In advancement of the technology, we will organize many workshop, hands-on experience like that. That is our main skill development, along with the technical knowledge, imparting the technical knowledge, hands-on training, and at the end of the 4 years, the students should be able to qualify for employability, or they have to start their own. Now that is our prime strategy.
Okay, sir. Actually, that's great. And so, sir, talking about the curriculum of the college, how does PA College of Engineering ensure best practice of industry?
Yeah, curriculum is actually, that is the academic curriculum is set by the university. We are affiliated to Vishwesvaraya Technological University, and in each 4 years, they are revising the syllabus. There will be committee. I am the one of the committee member. I am the member of the academic senate of the Technological University. Technological University. That is out of 10 principal. The principal nominated by the governor, by the honorable governor, and it is recommended by the vice chancellor of the university at the part of the PTU policy body. We have to revise. That is, the university is revising every 4 years. That is the syllabus. We suggested to the university as an academic senate member, mechanical, that is apart from computer science, that is a main core branch, mechanical and civil. They have to introduce, that is the now advanced subject like machine learning and artificial intelligence, robotics, etc., to catch hold of the future present trend. Actually, it's the present requirement. This is apart from VTU curriculum. As I told, we used to conduct many workshops, from industry experts, from the alumni, that is stakeholders meeting. That we are doing it. That is to cope up with the industry. There is a gap. There is always gap between industry and institute. We are continuously connected with the industry. Yes.
Certainly, sir, because technology is changing at a very rapid pace actually, and we need to improvise.
Yeah. Yes.
Certainly, sir. So, sir, what do you think your roles and responsibilities are towards the college and students?
As I told, that is the full responsibility of the college to build the career of the students, to build the career of the students to the future. To think their stay, that is the 4 years in the undergraduate level, they have to build their future and they have to stand on their own leg, we are helping them to set the goal because once they clear, that is 12th standard, they are entering India engineering professional college. Till 12th standard, I think Indian scenario till now, what it is the exam oriented. It is not a knowledge base oriented. That is the main lack of our education system. Getting only the exams, they have to score good marks. That is the main aim. But after entering the engineering, we will inspire them to acquire the knowledge. It should not be only for the examinations sake. They have to acquire that is different kind of skill, communication skill, and interdisciplinary skill. They join only mechanical. They should have the knowledge in other fields also, computer science, electronics, and all. Now it is a disciplinary area because the new education policy also 2020 also emphasized on multidisciplinary education. That is, we have to coordinate with all the departments. Students should have each and every knowledge of all the branches. Not only, suppose he is coming to the mechanical, he should not have only the mechanical knowledge. He should have the electronic, at least surface structure, the computer science, that is the coding, and all he should know. That is our main responsibility to build the students to the future generation.
Certainly,
and to serve the country and to, yes.
Certainly, so that is a great idea. And actually, with the new education policy, it will be really helpful in the overall development of a student in all the areas.
Yes, and we are having startup policy. We set up startup policy also. That is, we have to implement very effectively the startup policy of the government, ICT and the USC. Now, recently we set up the startup policy and other things. Yes.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what do you think will be college's top priority over the next 10 years?
Top priority is implementing new education policy 2020, because that is having main. It will change us full higher education system. Why? Because as I told, till now it is exam oriented. Now it should be skill oriented, or that is they have to start their own leg. Now the problem of the students is now the present system is only will study. That is that every college it will be there at the end of the semester or the end of the exam. For the sake of the exam, they will read it. They should not read for the sake of the, because there should be continuous evaluation system. I think new education policy emphasized on continuous evaluation system. There is a system internship in new education policy. They can multiple entry, multiple exit they can do. I think that will be, even university is thinking, that is VTU is thinking that is new way to implement the new education policy. One more important thing is the mentoring system. That is very important. We have to act as a second parent for the student. Now, as you know, now the thing is to majority, not a few, this one is a depression. That is the major problem in this era, that is the present era. I don't know why it is. That is to reduce this one depression in the student. We have to mentoring system we have to do, and we have to customize our education, not generally. See, when we are studying this general teaching, it should not be general teaching. We have to identify the weak, that is a slow learning people, and we have to bring them up to the mark. And finally, they should be, that is as I told in the earlier question also, finally their future they have to build up. That we will let. We will treat the students as our own kith and kin. That is the main top priority for our college.
That is a great thought, actually. So, sir,
Yes.
when you first came to PA College of Engineering, what was your vision for the college? Has it evolved over time? And how far along in implementing that vision are you?
As a see, main PA College of Engineering to bring the institute to the world class institute. That is our main aim, and our main objective now is to convert this institute into university. Chairman's vision also to convert, because we will get once if you become, that is also a new education policy. Also it is the autonomy in syllabus, autonomy in the, that is our main objective. That is our priority vision also. I think we are thinking of setting up to deemed university shortly, because of due to COVID situation it is delayed. Otherwise we would have gone for autonomy.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, what would you like people to know about the college that they might not know?
Our college, yes, right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, phase group. Actually, this is the group one. Our chairman is a very philanthropist. He's a businessman. He's an educationalist. Everything is. He is a overall personality. Actually, he set up. We are having phase group total 14 education institutes across the globe. Here at our campus, that is the phase Mangalore campus, we are having that six institutions at the 65 acre, the lush green campuses that we are having. We are having that in the 6 institution. One is the first one is set up in the year 2000. That is the PA College of Engineering, and we are the first one to get accredited by NBA College of Accrediting in the year 2008. Later we have not renewed, but it was till 2009 to 2012 we had National Board accreditation. And we are the first private engineering college, that is Dakshina Kannada actually. A second engineering college, that is the first was Sulya, second was this college is we are having, apart from PA College of Engineering, PA Center of Management Studies and Research, and that is under PA College of Engineering. PA College of First Grade, that is affiliated to Mangalore University. PA College of Pharmacy, that is recently started. Now it's the third year is running. It is about to go to final year. That is the PA College of Pharmacy. And PA College of Physiotherapy, PA Polytechnic. And we are having 6 PA College of Engineering. I am heading the PA College of Engineering. We are having 6 disciplines. One is the computer science engineering, then electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, biotechnology. This is the 4-year undergraduate PE courses. Apart from this, we are a PhD and MSc research program in biotechnology, in mechanical engineering, in computer science engineering, in electronics communication engineering, mathematics and chemistry. We are having eminent faculty members, committed faculty members, very sincere faculty members. We are having good placement record, and many our alumni are in the good and they are running their own industry, or the computer science and mechanical. Many are there. Many are flourishing like that. Right. This is our college, about the college.
Actually, that's really much detailed information, and that's really great about the whole group of institutions. So, sir, what do you see as PA Colleges of Engineering greatest strength?
What is that?
So, what do you think as PA College of Engineering's greatest strengths?
I can't hear audio. You're not audible.
So, sir, I am asking about
the question is like this:
greatest strengths of the college.
Vision, strength of the
college, sir.
Strength of the college. As I told, it is a big strength of the college. is our faculty members.
Mhm.
Sincere, committed, and this one. And one more thing is we are having two incubation centers in the campus. One is, as I told earlier also, it is the KTech, that is named KTech Government of Karnataka. Another MSME that is to graduate, that is the innovative idea. We will inspire the students in the first year itself. First year itself, we will tell. In second year onwards, we are asking them to carry out their innovative ideas into small project. Finally, at the end of the fourth year, they have to at least few students, if are come up with the startup, I think it will be instead of job seeker, the job giver it will be. That is our main strength. And our main strength is research. If you compare, we are having a very good infrastructure for the research in mechanical engineering, in computer science, even in electronics, biotechnology. Biotechnology is one of the best one, and computer science. We got the VC research fund nearly, that is 60 lakh in the last 3 years. We got this fund. We set up the very good research facility to carry out their research. I think many have graduated into PhD or as PhD graduates, doctorates. This is our main strength. Very good library. We are central library. We are having very good auditorium. We are having, that is the capacity 2,000. We are having, that is 65 acres, as I told. We are having rain harvesting. We are having STP and all. The strength of our college.
Okay, sir, that's great. So, talking about the challenges, what are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for higher education in general and for PA College of Engineering specifically?
As I told, that is in earlier question also I told, challenge is make the students to understand their goal. Now I think you know, as they come out of the 12th standard, many are having acquainted to your mobile. This is the social mobile. They're addicted to the mobile. If addicted to the mobile, if they are using for a good cause, it is good. We have to de-addict. Actually, at the end of the 12th standard and 10th standard, many of the students are addicted to the mobiles. Actually, we have to reduce that. We have to make them to understand good use of the mobile. Yes, can use it for. We have to make them understand the setting of the goals and how they have to implement. That we have to make them to create a plan for that, create a plan for implementing their goals. And at the end of the fourth year, as I told earlier also, they should stand on their own. That is the main challenge. And the new education implement the new education policy is the really challengeable. Faculty should be get trained for that new education policy. That the government is taking very much steps to implement the new education policy, to train our faculty members to adapt new education policy. These are the main challenges we are having it, and to give the internship actually, because it is the many graduates are coming out of engineering colleges. To get into to provide internship for them is a real task. We have new education policy is emphasized to give to provide the internship facility. This is the main challenge ahead.
Okay, sir. So, sir, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Good for the suggestion for the students. As soon as they enter into the professional college, they have to assess themselves. They have to find what is their weakness, what is their strength. And they have to work on that is the overweights. For example, if they are coming from the village background, their communication skill be not so up to the mark. They have to develop their communication skill. Whatever they want that they can demand from the college. If they are poor in communications, they can demand from the college to provide the to get trained in the communication skill, and they have to focus on their goals and what is the future should be. Some may be interested in post-graduation, some may be interested in research, some may be going abroad, that is the foreign countries, the European countries, America and all. They have to work on that. So suppose they're to prepare either many opportunities are there. Once they complete the degree, they can go for administration service also. At the beginning itself, the first year or second year itself, what they should be at the end of the fourth year. Whether they have to go for administration system, whether they have to go for research, whether they have to go for post-graduation, whether they have to take up the teaching profession. They have to work on that. That is the main focus, their future, what they should be. They should not depend on their parents. Once the degree is completed, that is the degree till the completion of the degree, that is the parent responsibility. Once the degree is completed, now they have to build their future, their own.
Certainly, sir.
That is my suggestion to them.
I agree completely with you, sir. So, sir, my last question to you would be, what are some of the plans that you are currently working or will be working on for PA College of Engineering students?
Hello?
Yes, sir. So, what are some of the plans that you are currently designing or will be designing for PA College of Engineering students?
PA College of Engineering, as I told, it is generally we are identifying. First time we will identify the people who are actually intelligent. If only the problem is their background, whether slow learner, medium learner, or very strong in catching the point. We will identify them. We will give customized training for them. Customized training. In which area they are weak, we are giving the training. Very good placement and training. We are having facility here. We are giving the communication skill. We are giving the technical skill. Suppose their placement, our placement, the recruitment will be there. So for that, we'll train them. That is the Infosys, TCS, everything. We are giving lot of training for them actually. Yes.
Okay, sir. So actually, that was great overall interaction with you and so much knowledge about the college and in details, which will be really beneficial for the students. Thank you so much for your time.
Definitely. That is our to carry out our chairman's vision is our main important. Our chairman's vision is to make the institute into university, that the global university. I think in new education policy, this is a possible. Yes.
Certainly, sir. I hope the same and wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for inviting me also. Yes.
Thank you, sir.